Agent, this is Command. This train is about to arrive at the incident site. Before we get there, we'll need to go over your new teleportation ability. Hold down the teleport button to boot up, then look around. Notice when you hold the button to teleport, the world also slows down. Alright, that's how you teleport. You see that weapon in the next car? Now try to shoot the targets if they are shot well placed. Teleport ahead to grab a better weapon. The enemy has found you. Take him out. We are now pulling into the rail station. Be alert. The enemy will be waiting for you. Take them out as you see fit. Good luck, Agent.
Entering Sim 1 station. Please exit the train in an orderly fashion. Have a nice day.
Agent, grab and throw the bullets.
Scan the area! Where are they? Where is he?
Grab and throw bullets.
No contact! Subject lost! All units, target lost! No contact! Close on him!
You can grab and throw bullets. Nice shot.
Adjusting tactics! Get into position!
Agent, we are picking up a massive energy surge in the area. Use caution. Try grabbing a rocket and aiming it at the enemy. Simulation complete. Well done, Agent.